Today we will discuss about AND gate. AND gate is nothing but a basic logical gate. AND gate is defined as logical multiplication. Here AND gate consists of four characteristics, and first one is symbol, logic symbol. Second one is truth table, and third one is timing diagram. Fourth one is circuit diagram. First one, logic symbol. Here we can see that the logical symbol of AND gate. AND gate consists of two variables a comma b. These are the inputs of AND gate, and y equal to a dot b. This is the output of AND gate. Here a dot b dot indicates the multiplicity of a dot b, and also an input AND gate's symbol. Input, that means inputs consists of n variables a, b, c, d up to so on n, and the output comes only one, y equal to a dot b. Here also dot representation, that means the multiplicity of a dot b. Any number of inputs we take, but output comes only one. The second one is truth table. Second characteristics of AND gate is truth table. In previous classes we discussed about the truth table. Truth table consists input and output rows. Here we take inputs and output of truth table. A, B are the two variables of inputs, and y is the output of these two variables, y equal to a dot b. Here a dot b is the multiplication of ab. Dot is the general multiplication of a dot b. Here 2 power n. N is the number of variables. Here we take two variables a, b. Therefore 2 power 2, that means 2 square, comes 4. AND gate truth table consists 4 combinations. So here we take 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. General multiplication 0 into 0 0, 0 1 0, 1 0 0, 1 into 1 equal to 1. In general multiplication 0 into anything equal to 0. So 0 into 1 equal to 0, 1 into 0 equal to 0, then finally 1 into 1 equal to 1. In truth table both inputs low, so the output also low. Here one input low and another one is high, but our output is also low, and another one, first input is high, second input low, so our output also low, but finally both outputs are high, so we get the final answer is high, that means 1. The third one is timing diagram. Third character is timing diagram. Why we discuss about the timing diagram? Because here about truth table we consider 4 combinations. 4 different combinations are occurs. But these 4 combinations are not possible to given at a same time. For example, here 0 0 is the first time taken and 0 1 takes t2 time, 1 0 takes t3 time, 1 1 takes t4 time. So here 4 different times taken for the 4 combinations. That's why we take the timing diagram. About truth table we take AB 2 variables. For 4 combinations, 4 different times taken. Here T1, T2, T3, T4 are the 4 different times taken for the 4 different combinations or and inputs A, B, finally output Y. Here above truth table 0 0, that means A takes 0 0 1 1, T1 equal to 0, T2 equal to 0, T3 equal to 1, T4 equal to 1, and B, here B is 0 1 0 1, 0 1 0 1. Then we get the time diagram occurs low level and high level. 0 occurs low level, that means the diagram comes from 2 downs, 2 ups. Downs means lower level, ups means higher level. Similarly, B comes from low, high, low and high. Finally, the output comes from 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Then we can write low, 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 high. This is the time diagram of AND gate. And final characteristic is circuit diagram. Circuit diagram of AND gate. Here circuit diagram consists diodes, voltage common collector, resistance, anode, cathode and output. Here D1, D2 are the 2 diodes A, B are the variables of two diodes and R is the resistance VCC. That means voltage common collector. This is anode, this is cathode, and Y is the output of this circuit. When short circuit occurs, only the anode is high voltage, then the cathode voltage. That means the voltage of cathode is lower than the voltage of anode. For example, the input variables of these two diodes, voltage is 0, then the anode occurs high voltage. Here we take 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. A value and B value we take 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Then A 0, B 0. The circuit diagrams comes from here is Y output and VCC resistor. The VCC and output connected both ground, that means 0 0. So the short circuit occurs, the output comes Y equal to 0. In second we take A 0 but B 1, that means open. That means A 0 and B open. Open circuit. A does not change. A consists short circuit. Therefore, the resistor connected and output comes here VCC resisted R, and the output also connected ground because 1 0 is occurs in input, so Y equal to also 0. In another one, A 1 B 0, that implies A comes open circuit and B comes short circuit. The resistance and voltage finally output, the output again connected with ground because of we take 0 equal to B, so Y equal to 0. Finally we take A equal to 1 and B equal to 1, so both two inputs are open circuit. Therefore, the voltage, resistance and output does not connected with input. VCC resisted R. So the output comes through the VCC resistant. VCC means high voltage, so y equal to 1. This is the truth table of AND gate, logical symbol, circuit diagram, timing diagram. So finally we discuss the AND gate with logic symbol, truth table, timing diagram and circuit diagram. Thank you.